Hi, this is LifeTrack, a service that helps you plan your time. With our service, you are able to categorize the time spent in all different activities you do during the day, so you can organize better in the future. In the dashboard of our service, you can manage all different activities. You can check, for example, how much time you spend working, studying, or sleeping. You can track the activities in different ways. You can do it either manually in the Planning tab or automatically using the Smart Objects. Let's talk about how they work. Smart Objects communicate with each other to automatically start activities. You need to have one object with you and other ones in places you want to be tracked in. Let's introduce a scenario. This is a house and the smart objects are placed in different rooms. When you move around, they communicate with each other using Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and NFC to start activities. For example, work when you are in the home office, sleep when you are in the bedroom, or eat when you are in the kitchen. There are different types of smart objects. This is Knuckle. It's made to bring it around with you. It has a hole with a chain, so it can be used as a keychain. This is Klebrig. It has a sticky silicone base. You can place it in any room of the house, for example under an office desk, inside closets or wherever you prefer. Let's talk about the activities. Activities can be set in the Manage Objects tab inside the dashboard. You can choose which smart object communicates with which. For example, you can choose to pair the one you have with you with the one in the home office to start the activity work when you enter the room. Now let's check out the web application. From the homepage you can sign up or log in, and once you're ready to go, you can enter the dashboard. The summary page contains all the detailed information about the activities. On the left side, you can see the amount of hours you spend on each activity, with a progress bar that helps you understand if you reached your goal. By clicking the icon in the card, you can get personalized suggestions for that specific activity. If you want to analyze carefully the data, you can do it through the charts. Here, you are able to see when you made each activity, and with the help of the slider, you can choose to filter data. In the Planning tab, you can look at your schedule. From here, you can plan what you are going to do in the future, keeping an eye on the amount of hours you planned on spending for that activity. You can edit the schedule using the Edit Activities button. From here, it's possible to add activities using the drag and drop interface or removing them clicking the cross, and you also have the possibility to undo and redo an action you just made. In the Reports tab, it's possible to generate a textual document based on a specific period of time, for example a vacation, in which you can analyze how you spent your time and get advice on how to improve the quality of it. From here you can print the document or generate a new report clicking on the top left button. Now you just need to choose the report name, a date, and then generate it. In the Manage Actions tab, you can pair the smart object using the drag and drop interface. From here you can add a new action with the button on the bottom right corner, or check out the tutorial to see an example of how to use it. If you want to have more information about our service, you can check out the homepage and the Product tab, where you can find our smart objects and various information about them. LifeTrack, data at the service of the user.